Hello and welcome to my channel. This is a continuation in our journey to understanding PyQGIS and using it as a standalone script. Today we'll be looking at how to access fields in our vector layer with PyQGIS. In QGIS, you can get that information in the properties of the layer. Moving back to PyQGIS, you can find a link to the video explaining PyQGIS's boilerplate code down in the description below, since we'll be skipping that part for this video. With that out of the way, let's delve into the meat and potatoes. I always like to begin the main part of my PyQGIS code with an if-else statement that checks if my layer is valid or not. This way it's easy to tell when my code fails. If everything is on the up and up, the name of the layer is printed to the console. If not, I print this simple message. Pretty standard. The next thing we do is to get all the fields of our vector layer and store it in a variable we have brilliantly named fields using the fields method. This is a method attached to the QGIS vector layer class. So this allows us to access the fields of the vector layer one by one. So with that said, we'll be using the for-in keyword to loop through our field list so that we can access the individual field objects in the list. We can now print out a number of interesting information that's attached to each field object. So that'll be it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it if you like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. You can also share to your friends and family while you're at it. See you in the next video. Keep learning. Stay curious. Bye.